How to disable notifications on TextNow. First of all, open the app on your device and log in with your account. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the main menu. From the menu, select Settings to access all your app preferences and options. Scroll down and tap on Notifications to view the notification settings for TextNow. Turn off the Show Notifications toggle to disable notifications for messages, calls, and alerts. You can also customize individual settings such as disabling sound, vibration, or pop-up alerts depending on your preference. Disabling notifications can help you avoid distractions and maintain focus when needed. You can always turn them back on whenever you want to stay updated. Additionally, check your device system notification settings to ensure that TextNow notifications are fully disabled if needed. Now you know how to disable notifications on TextNow, giving you complete control over when and how the app alerts you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.